Hi guys, join me in the kitchen today as I make Vaingyache Bhart or Goan style Baingan Bharta. Roasted eggplant gives this dish a very aromatic flavor. Roasting the eggplant is the only cooking that is needed for this dish. This dish is practically oil-free but yet very flavorful. For this dish, choose the bigger variety of eggplant or baingan. You can choose any method to roast the eggplant, but since I will be using the oven, I'm going to go ahead and line the baking tray with an aluminum foil for easy cleanup. Wash and dry the eggplant. Then make slits on it on each side. The slits help the eggplant cook faster and prevents it from bursting. Make sure to distribute the slits evenly on all the sides. Now rub some oil over the surface. This is the only amount of oil that we will be using in the entire dish. Do not skip this step as it helps the eggplant in even roasting and prevents it from turning into a charcoal. I will also be using 4 green chilies. Vary the number of chilies based on your spice tolerance level. We are going to roast the chilies along with the eggplant, so stuff it inside the slit. The green chili part is an optional step. You may now roast the eggplant on an open flame, stovetop, or in the oven for 400 degrees. Once roasted, remove the skin. The peeling part becomes very easy if the eggplant is properly roasted. If you notice that the skin is hard, it may need some additional time in the oven. While peeling, you may come across the green chilies that we had stuffed. Place it on the side. If some tidbits remain on the skin, you can easily scoop it using a spoon. Now go ahead and mash the eggplant. Discard the stem as you go. You can use your hand, but I find that a wooden ladle works very well for me. You might have noticed that I'm using the same baking tray to mash the eggplant. This is because I have realized that the tray also contains some nice juices which gives the dish a very beautiful flavor. Here I'm lightly pressing the green chilies so as to release its juices because these are also roasted and give the dish a good flavor. If you chose not to use the green chilies during roasting, now is the time to use some fresh green chilies and add it to the bharta. Use the green chilies and discard the stems as you go. Goan bharta is very different from the Punjabi Baingan Bharta. This is more like a mashed eggplant salad. Now add 1 cup of finely chopped onion. Add 3/4 cup of freshly grated coconut. Soak some tamarind in water and extract its pulp. We are going to use about 4 teaspoons of this pulp. Then add salt to taste. Finally add some fresh coriander leaves or dhaniya. Mix well so as to incorporate all the flavors. Vaingyache Bhart is now ready. This dish goes very well with fulkas, but you can also serve it as a side to a rice item. If you like this recipe, please let me know in the comment section. Stay fit, stay happy. Until next time, take care.